Anastasia Palaszczuk has copped public and private criticism over the state's position on border restrictions and medical exemptions. Today, a Gold Coast man has been charged with making death threats against her and the Chief Health Officer, Dr. Jeanette Young.
It is absolutely reprehensible that anyone would think of doing harm to these two very fine Queenslanders.
The Premier spent her day at home in isolation after getting a COVID test. She had been on the road most of the week touring regional Queensland, her voice sounding a little strained.
Can I just say how pleased I am to be able to be here for this very special day?
Well, I'm very pleased to be in Bundaberg today.
The Premier's office says she began to feel unwell on Wednesday afternoon and was tested and cleared.
So she's done the right thing. She's listened to the health advice.
Ms Palaszczuk will be back in the office for tomorrow's National Cabinet meeting, where she's expected to face more questions on when the border will reopen to New South Wales visitors.
With Queensland, the door is locked, bolted, and no conversations are continuing, unfortunately.
All of our cases in the last 5 days, both of them, were in quarantine. Well, every day in New South Wales there are cases that aren't.
Look, we've got to get this resolved, and we've got to get these borders down eventually.
But with the borders still restricted, the Prime Minister accepts he won't be given special permission to campaign in Queensland for the state election unless he does his 14 days quarantine.
I don't think I should be treated differently to anybody else.
Just one new coronavirus case has been added to the state's tally today in a health worker connected to the cluster at the Ipswich Hospital. Allyson Horn, ABC News, Brisbane.